We got a lot of stuff to do, lads. Well, obviously it's Christmas time, and naturally I get plushies on Christmas time, which means I can make more videos. But first, we have to unbox them. So, obviously, we're going to start off small with, like, the guys that are already out. Like, you're already unboxed. I got that on camera. Oh, well, it's not like it was special or anything. Anyway, first up, we got this guy. Not special at all. I mean, it doesn't take place in the PvZ2 series at all. But, you know, still nice to have stuff here and there. To the bin you go. So we got this guy. It's called Muggalo in a Luigi fan series. If y'all haven't seen him, you should go watch him. But, yeah. He's a metal zombie that's actually from the refloreshed version of Plants vs. Zombies 2. But since I'm not doing refloreshed, then yeah, he doesn't really serve a spot in the series. You know what, I'll just go over them and then grab freaking scissors so I can open these guys. Alrighty. Now we got scissors, so this is going to be a whole lot easier. So, here he is. Obviously going to have to move his hair out of the way later. Holy crap. He was like crammed in that box. His head is like, holy crap, it's extremely derpy. Anyway, yeah, this is Metal Zombie, or Muggalo from Luigi fan series, so I'm calling that canon now. So, yeah. Get out of here, bro. He's now unboxed. I think I missed the crate. Anyway, next one. This is the character from Big Wave Beach, so this is actually ways away. Bikini Zombie is her name. Believe it or not, I'm gonna need two more of this character. So yeah, stay tuned for that crap. Oh gosh, alright. That's all of them. Alright. Let's get opening then, I guess. This first one off to the right is a basic zombie. Now you might be wondering why I'm getting basic zombies and why you see them a lot in the series. Well, that's because a lot of the designs will have to be used as basic zombies. So yeah. These guys are going to be used in Frostbite Caves. I should have a few more of them, so don't expect this to be a whole bunch of varying characters, because most of them are probably basic zombies. Yeah, look, this guy. I guarantee to you this one is not going to be a basic zombie. Never mind. It's a basic zombie. I know I didn't just get basic zombies. Where's the special shit at? Holy, I just looked at this this one is swole, dude. Alright, anyway, another basic zombie. Nothing special. Get out of here. I'm gonna save the swole one for freaking last, because it's swole, so it makes sense. Honestly, I feel like unboxings don't even matter, but might as well do it so, like, random plushies don't appear out of the blue. I also did that with Wild West, so my bad. But yeah, this is another basic zombie. So, these two should be different. I'm pretty sure that big one might be a Gargantuar, or it's a bunch of different plushies stuffed into one present. I think this one should be a Conehead. It is not a Conehead. So this last one is either a Gargantuar or it's a bunch of plushies, which I highly guarantee it's probably a Gargantuar. And he's probably going to be all smushed and crap. Can't even get a break when I'm not making a Plants vs. Zombies plush video. This is just an unboxing. Golly. Where the heck do I open this thing? Okay, we're getting somewhere. I think. This might take me a bit, so enjoy some Christmas music, I guess. Holy crap. Oh, that took a while. Got him out though. Another one of those derpy ones, just like the one I threw over there earlier. No freaking Conehead though. So what the heck am I gonna do for Frostbite Caves? Nope. That was the unboxing. Nothing special. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and sub and hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on any of the new videos. If not, that's fine. Can't always get everything. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Have a good day.